What's up, guys? It's your girl Brittney, and this is Makeup by the Minute. And today we are talking about draping, the hot new summer trend that is taking over the wave. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. Come on, you already know the drill. We have 60 seconds. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is grab a big fluffy brush. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a 3. The same way how we would do with contour, we're going to draw a 3 at the temple bow, come back to our highest points of our cheeks, come back through and go down to our draw line with the color. So, and you want to do this with blush. This is what draping is all about. So we're going to go to our highest point, we're going to make our 3, and then we're going to come back down and go down to our jawline. Just like that with the same blush pink color. And that is how you drape. So if you fully enjoyed this video and want to see more, go ahead and click the like button and let me know how your summer is going with all your draping. Later, guys.